Hey, beautiful. Summer. What are you doing? What is happening here? You doing what? You're riding the bike? Can you ride a bike? Of course. You can ride a bike? You can ride a bike. Where do you go on a bike? You're going to ride the bike. Where are you going on the bike, though? Do you know where you're going? You're gonna turn? Mm-hmm. So which bike do you prefer? Yeah, but where are you going, though? You want to ride the bike to go where? Well, you're a girl. Can girls ride bikes? Of course. Thank you. So you want me to ride a bike too? Hold it. Ride a bike? Where? I have nowhere to ride the bike to. Are we going to Montego Bay? No, not right there. Right here. Show me where you're going. Are we going to Montego Bay? My beer, my beer, my beer. Jump on the back of my bike. My beer, my beer. My beer, my beer. Where I got my beer? Yeah? So, to go to Montego Bay, we have to go through Ocheriz. Do you know Ocheriz? Yes? You know Ocheriz?
No.
You don't know Ocheriz? That's where Grandma lives.
That is.
What is that?